January is the perfect time to start fresh and set the tone for the rest of the year. Decluttering your home can be a powerful way to reset and create a more organized, peaceful environment. 2024 was the year of tired for me. I just had no energy, and the overall maintenance of the house seemed to always get the better of me. This year, starting in January, I have created a schedule to help me get back on track, and I've decided that my motto for 2025 is the quote by Margaret Thatcher. Plan your work for today and every day, then work your plan. The top 5 reasons to declutter in January. Reason number 1, a fresh start for the new year. Decluttering aligns perfectly with the season of renewal, helping you let go of the old to make room for the new. By organizing your living space, you set the tone for a year filled with clarity and purpose. A tidy environment fosters productivity and inspiration, making it easier to achieve your goals. Increased productivity and inspiration is what I'm most looking forward to. After so many years of not getting what I want in life, I thought 2024 was going to be a better, more successful year for me. This year, I'm going to push hard. I'm going to have what I want. I'm tired of not succeeding where I want to in life, and having a clean, uncluttered life will help. Reason number 2, boost mental well-being. Clutter can lead to stress and anxiety. Studies show that a tidy space can improve mental clarity. I've experienced this. When the areas that seem to gather items all the time are cluttered, it's always on the back of my mind. There's a running dialogue. It looks messy. I need to clean it. It's such a mess. I need to clean it. Over and over again, and that just weighs on your mind. It takes away mental energy from the more important tasks or goals that you want to complete. Reason number 3, making cleaning easier. Less clutter means less to clean and maintain. Decluttering simplifies your cleaning routine, saving you time and energy. It also makes it easier to keep your home tidy. For example, in the kitchen, we can find ourselves with extra kitchen tools, whether it be extra pans or measuring spoons. If you enjoy getting out into nature and camping, you could pick up a bin to keep the extra kitchen items for use when camping. Then they're not cluttering up your kitchen. Reason number 4, boost your productivity. An organized space fosters a more focused and productive mindset. Keep like things with like things. When my daughter was little, I reminded her to keep her toys grouped together when she cleaned up. All the Legos in one box and all the Barbies in another. As you're cleaning and decluttering, whether you have an office, just a desk, or just a bin, gather all office-type supplies in this designated area. Then, when you have more time, you can further organize your office items. Reason number 5, align with your goals. Decluttering can be a physical representation of your New Year's resolutions. Whether your goals involve saving money, improving health, or enhancing relationships, a decluttered space can support your journey by reducing distractions and creating a positive environment. Are you ready to declutter your space and transform your year like me? I'll be working hard bringing you videos about flowers, flower arranging, books and reading, and information to help guide you through the seasons of the year. Which means I'll discuss topics according to the seasons or cycles of the year, such as bulb buying, organizing paperwork for taxes coming up, and book lists for moods. I don't have the whole year planned yet, but let's both have a better year together.